how to cast or mirror the screen to the TV with Chromecast on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, go down and tap on connected devices. Then tap on Smart View. Next, tap on the More button here. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Labs. And make sure you turn on Chromecast support. So once it is turned on, then go back. So when you want to cast your screen to the TV, you can swipe down, tap on Settings, go into Smart View, Connected Device. So tap on Connected Devices, and then tap on Smart View, and then select your Chromecast. Now it is now searching. Now you can see here it does not show Chromecast at the moment. If it does not, you want to make sure to go into Settings and then go into Labs and make sure it is turned on. So we're just gonna wait. Also swipe down on the top here, you can also tap on the Smart View mirror screen. So after waiting for a minute or two, now I have Google Cast appearing in the list. So I can tap on the Chromecast and then tap on the Start Now button. And you can see that my phone screen will be casting to the TV via Google Chromecast. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.